Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learning with Mirab. Today we're going to draw the character of very famous game known as Minecraft, and the favorite character of my brother is Steve. So today we're gonna draw that, and let me introduce my brother to you.
Hello guys, my name is Abdul Rafi. Today I am going to draw Steve character of Minecraft. So let's start the video.
Okay friends, to color the Steve we need 5 colors. These colors are dark brown, purple, sea green, black and peach. So let's begin. First of all, we are gonna use black color to color the hairs of its head. So now we are gonna use sea green color to color its shirt. Using peach color for its skin, and then we're gonna use purple color for its pants. Use middle brown color for its nose, and then we're going to use brown color for its mouth.
Done.
Okay friends, now the Steve is ready. So my brother likes Minecraft a lot and his favorite character is Steve, of course. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and comment me down below that who like Minecraft. Bye bye.